Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share. Thank you. I'm coming on real quick to share with you guys 2 boo baskets I put together for my 2 girls. And I'm going to share with you guys some of the things that I like to use when I'm putting my baskets together. You can put these together really quick and really cheap and cost effective. Here's the first one, the purple one that says come in for a spell. You can pick these up from the Dollar Tree. If not this specific one, you can, they have all kind of little containers for Halloween. So that's $1. This cute little wall hanging, I just added that so it'll bring the little, the Halloween feel to the basket. $1, Dollar General. And then I added a cute little bow up there on the hat. I got that in some boo mail from A Reason to Create. Thank you so much. I've already used it. You can see way back in the back the Starburst. That's actually lip smackers in a container. My daughter loves lip gloss, my baby. And I thought that would be cute to add in. I added some socks, some Pringles. You can see I have a cute little sticker on top of the Pringle can just to give it that Halloween feel. Right here is some hand cream. You can add stuff like that. I included some candy canes and M&Ms and, some chocolates inside. I also included like Cheez-Its, things that she likes. So you don't have to just put all candy. If your child likes to read, you can probably throw a book in there. Just things that is customized to whoever you're putting the basket together for. I put a little skeleton in there. You can see the cute little skeleton inside. And the ribbon all came from the Dollar Tree, you guys. They had a heap of Halloween ribbon, and you can put together a really, really cute bow and use some cost-effective ribbon so you don't have to spend a ton. Everything in this basket I picked up from Dollar General. So, Dollar General likes to put their prices on the packaging. So if you don't want the prices showing, just take one of those cute little stickers there and put it right on top of the pricing to, to hide that or camouflage that. But I used a cute little spider ring that's also from the Dollar Tree. Here's the second one. It's in black and it says Happy Hunting. I love the ribbon on this one. I went a little bit more full on this ribbon. And I include basically some of the same things, but since my oldest one is grown, I put stuff like lip gloss, socks, things like that for her that she can still appreciate and use, in chips and candy. But yeah, those are my baskets. Now you can purchase the shrink wrap. I use shrink wrap. You can also purchase that from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to share with you guys the heat tool that I use to shrink the shrink wrap to get that really professional look to your basket. And I'm going to share all of that with you guys, so just stay tuned for that. Okay, you guys, I am back and I wanted to share just a few things that you can pull out and put together a basket really, really quickly. Not just for Halloween, but for any occasion. So what I love to use for my bows, I love using the Bow-Dabra. Now, some people are really good by making those bows by hand. I have arthritis and it really hurts my hand to try to hold the ribbons at the same time that I'm trying to make the loops. So this comes in really handy because you can do the loops and not have to hold them in your hand. So I prefer to use the Bow-Dabra. You can pick this up. I know that Michael has it. I think Walmart has it, and I think Hobby Lobby may have it. There are also a lot of videos here on YouTube, and I also think Bow-Dabra has a YouTube channel. So you can go to their YouTube channel and they will show you how to make different type of bows. So I really, really like it. This is the big version, but they also have a smaller version for the smaller bows, and I have the smaller version as well. All right, so for the shrink wrap, as I mentioned, you can pick up the shrink wrap from the Dollar Tree. Every time that I'm in there, I just get some, just to have some on hand and to have some extras. And to shrink your shrink wrap, you need a heating tool, and this is the one that I have. If you are looking for a new heat tool, this is a good one. I love this. I think I picked this up from Amazon. So this is an awesome heat tool that you can use not only for shrink wrap, but for your embossing needs and things like that. So this is an excellent heat tool. Some of the other things that I included in the basket were these cute little mini baskets, this cute little cauldron, and then the little pumpkin. These can be picked up from the Dollar Tree. And I just stuck some candy in there and put them inside of the basket. The great thing about these, if you don't want these colors, you can always spray paint them to the color that you like. Another great tool I like to use to cut my shrink wrap at the top to give it that professional look, I love using these pinking shears right here. It gives, the top of your wrapping shrink wrap that pinking shears look. You can pick these up from Hobby Lobby. I think that's where I got mine. So yeah, have some of those that'll make it really cute at the top when you cut your shrink wrap. As I mentioned earlier, for your ribbon, you can pick up your ribbon from the Dollar Tree. If you don't want to use ribbon and you want something a little bit more quicker to use, you can use the little bows that come in the shrink wrap. You just pull the string and you have an instant bow, and you can just use that. It's really quick and easy. You may prefer to do that to make it even quicker for you. A cute little fun basket stuffer I used inside was the pom-pom garland that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I just cut this apart and put some of these pom-poms inside of the basket. I like to add little elements that's fun and just bring that fun feel to your basket. So that's what I used inside of the basket as well. And then, as I mentioned, if you go somewhere like Dollar General, or you have something that has the packaging on it, or the price on it rather, and you want to cover up the price, just use some quick stickers. These cute foam stickers I picked up from Dollar General, and I just used them on top of the pricing, and also on top of like the Pringle can that I shared, just to dress it up and give it that fun flair Halloween feel. You also need a little lighter if you're going to do your own ribbon, and you just use the lighter to burn the ends, so just to keep it nice and neat. And those are just a quick little share of some of the things that I enjoy using when I put together baskets. I love putting together baskets for all occasions, baby showers, Christmas, Valentine's, everything. And so just be on the lookout for those cute and cheap and cost-effective containers, particularly at the Dollar Tree. You can really get some good containers from the Dollar Tree that you can use. Also, don't forget about your thrift stores, your Goodwills. They also have baskets and things like that you can spray paint or customize and have a very unique basket, to put everything inside. Also be on the lookout for cute little things like socks. I included like these dollar socks in the basket, and lip gloss, and little notepads, bows, hair bows for little girls, those cars for little boys, if they like those little cars. So always be on the lookout for basket stuffers and quick little things that you can add in. It doesn't take a whole lot of time. You can just throw everything in the basket and use the shrink wrap and get it all nice and pretty. So you can use the tissue wrap to put inside of the basket that would help lift your objects up where you can see everything, and then use the shred to put on top to hide that, and it'll help bring everything up where you can see the items in your basket. So just some little tips and pointers, something quick and fun. You guys enjoy today. Be safe out there, whatever you decide to do for Halloween. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.